While you are seated in the assembly, it is important that you sit up straight so that the body's vital points are straight and the internal subtle energy winds flow properly. This creates the right conditions for genuine visualization. To recite the words of the text at an even pace, neither too slowly nor too hurriedly, and to use the melodies passed down from the great Vidyadharas of the past, creates the special conditions for enhancing the clarity of visualization and for accomplishing all the qualities of meditative concentration. Performing the mantra recitation in the proper stages, according to the text, serves to invoke the wisdom mind of the deity. As you recite, if you hold your mala in your left hand at the level of your heart, as you count, this brings clarity to the visualization of the rotating mantra. Whenever you perform the mudras at the times of offering and praise and so on, that is the aspect of ritual movement with symbolic meaning.